Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Eero to your T-Mobile home internet. Now, to connect an Eero mesh system to your T-Mobile home internet, you will need different things. So first you need the Eero device, you need an Ethernet cable, okay? You need the Eero app. So this is what you do. First you connect the Eero gateway, right? Just identify the Eero device that will act as the primary gateway, and then plug that gateway Eero into an available Ethernet port on the T-Mobile home internet gateway. So you do this with an Ethernet cable, and then now we're going to be setting up the Eero network. So you just download and open the Eero app on your smartphone and follow the app's on-screen instructions to set up the Eero network. Doing things like creating a network name, which is the SSID, and a password. Okay, and you can add also additional Eero devices, right? So really easy and simple to do this. You just plug in the additional Eero device and follow the app's on-screen instructions to connect them to the gateway Eero. And you can also choose to go ahead and disable or leave T-Mobile's gateway Wi-Fi network depending on your needs, right? And if you disable the T-Mobile Wi-Fi, all the devices will connect to the Eero network. And if you keep the T-Mobile Wi-Fi, you can assign it a different SSID and password than the Eero network. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.